Hey guys, it's me back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing mixing store-bought putty slime. I guess store-bought slime into homemade slime. So I got these. They're not actually from capsules, but they're from the dollar store at Tilico Mall, and they're Halloween putties. They don't come in this. They come in like, I'll show you. So the orange ones come in pumpkins, which I'll show you. Excuse me. Come in these pumpkins, and there's 4 in each. And the purple ones come in ghost. I filled some of them with slimes, and the black come in cats. So yeah. So we're going to be doing mixing some store-bought slimes into homemade slimes. So the first putty slime thing that we're going to be doing is this orange one into this yellow slime, neon yellow. So it's not very stretchy, but it sticks to itself really nicely. So we're gonna do the slime swirl. Just try to make it down. Okay, wait. Hold on. Okay. So I'm just gonna have to do this one-handed. I'm going to be making another video. Oh yeah, happy early Halloween. It's almost Halloween. Last year I was a minion for Halloween, and I made a Halloween bucket. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to bring it back up here. So it's mixing together. Oh yeah, and I have all the ingredients to like fix it if it gets hard or something. Sorry about the background noises. My grandma is watching TV. It's not really mixing very nicely. But yeah, okay, so that's that slime. And then next slime is my purple putty. This time we're going to go smaller because I like the purple one. And we're going to go in with some teal slime. Oh yeah, and I am wearing a crop top and a knee brace right now because my knee is screwed up, so yes. The teal slime is very nice. I made it this morning. So we're just gonna mix that in. So yeah. The thing I'm wearing on my knee isn't like a brace, it's like a band-aid. Like, yeah, it's weird. Like, it's like one of those things. It's hard to explain. It just overactivated. This one mixed in way better. And now let's do the black slime. And we're going to mix it up with the teal slime again. If you add more slime to the putty ratio, it turns out pretty nice, but just a little bit overactivated. So I'm going to fix it when I'm done mixing. I think this one's gonna be like a brown or gray. It's like pretty overactivated. Okay. So we're just going to take slime now, put it in there. I just grab my Borax, which I don't want. We want my lotion. That was weird. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm also going to take it's not really like fixing it. Okay, yeah. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the orange putty. I need slime to get this off. Just have too much lotion on my hands. Sorry, I can't really see it in my eyes. That is better. Okay, so got that. I'll figure it out. Now let's grab this orange putty because it's pretty hard. And let's grab my lotion from the dollar store. Oh, that's bright. So I'm just gonna see if I can fix it. So this is like, I don't know. I just thought of this and I didn't want to pause the video and like really do something and then just do like 3 videos. So we're just doing 1 video. Okay, it's not really doing anything. It's just like not mixing in. It's kind of doing something. But yeah. I'm gonna take my black putty slime and just mix that up with it. So that's it with, oh yeah, let's do some ASMR. So they turn not very stretchy, but at some parts it's really nice to clicky, like nice and clicky, but in some other parts it's really not good and clicky. It's like, yeah, there's some, it's weird. Once you need in lotion, it gets better once you need it for a while, but, and add lotion to it, but I don't know. And then this one was my purple slime that I mixed. I can't really poke it because it's super duper tiny. And then the first one I did was the same amount of putty to slime ratio, which didn't work out very well. Actually, it worked out fine. But yeah, let's do a slime smoothie. So we're just gonna start with this slime. I know it's not a good slime swirl that I just did, but whatever. Let's mix this up. Mixing this up. I think it's gonna turn like a yellow, like a green. it turned overactivated, but I actually kind of like this. Oh no, the purple and no, I used all. Never mind. Yeah, so it's like a green, but yeah, okay. I'm making another video and posting it right now. So bye guys, love you.